Okay, we're back again. Still on the Slaughter Gap Trail. Just thought you'd like to see these stone steps that have been laid in here. We're climbing. The gradient now seems to be, I'd say, right here is probably about 10 to 12% grade. Look at these rock steps here. Wanted you to see this. Oh yeah. You gotta step on every single one of them to get up through here. Here we go. Oh, and in the event that this video is not connected with the others, this is Camping Fred, and we're camping at Lake Winfield Scott, and we're hiking up towards Blood Mountain on Slaughter Gap Trail. Okay, a lot of trees came down here, a lot of landscape stuff. A little different here. All right. So listen, please like my video and follow me on YouTube at Frederick Chumley. See my YouTube channel, and appreciate it. Thank you. Well, let's see. Here they are. They're all sitting waiting for me. It helps you pace yourself when you wait for me, so you don't go too fast. Y'all won't be anaerobic, but y'all are certainly running aerobic. Here's Cora Bora, it's Princess, and Godiva, Melissa, and Marshall. She said they won't be able to get as much done. Oh well. I'd say this is aggressive, guys. We'll talk to you again in a little bit.